They were supposed to rent wave runners, but let's see, these guys are probably gonna save them, these people here. Look, that's the Katop. Oh, maybe not. That's just a flying boat, that's nice. They're just coming out to wait for them to need a tow? That's funny. Oh, what? I guess that's not a joke. He knew he's gonna need a tow. Look at that. What's that? 1 second, what is that? 1 second, one person fell off the boat? Maybe one of his people fell off. This is confusing. I don't think it's a jet ski. Maybe one of his people fell off. I mean, something happened and he made a short stop. Strange, okay. Oh no, he has to rescue the rest of the stuff that fell in, I guess. I thought it was one of the jet ski people that just kept on falling, but I don't think so. I think that guy was on that boat. And the guy went too fast, made a turn, and it's possible the guy flew off. I'm surprised he even heard. I don't know. I'm gonna have to review this whole video and see. Because there was like smoke, not smoke, there's so much splashing that couldn't see what was going on. Anyway, I'll check later. Did you guys see what happened? Yeah, I don't know what happened. We'll find out. Really? Okay. Did he tell him to strap himself on this time? What's up? He's still going he's still gone now. And our pelican friend is watching again. This one's gonna fall. He's gonna fall. You can tell he's not standing up, you know. That's like a bad idea, jet ski. He's supposed to be in a wave runner, really. And I think they